I would say you who is the hero of the sentence, then what would you recommend? That particular thing. Without that, our sentences are incomplete. So, can you guess it? Hello everyone, welcome back to your own channel, that is Subjectsaholic, guys. And today we are going to talk about a very basic English grammar topic, and that is also very important. Okay, and let's talk about it without any delay. And अगर आप चाहे तो school student हो, if you are doing preparation for your competitive exams, or you want to improve your English, you can join us, you can subscribe our channel, and you can watch our videos. Okay, and without any delay, let's start. So let's talk about what actually sentence subject is. Okay, so here as you can see, I have already written a definition for the subject which we are going to understand it. Okay, so let's start. Yes, here you can see what actually subject is. Subject is nothing. Subject is only the doer. Who is subject is only the doer of the action. So basically, who is doing that particular action or what was done in that particular sentence is our subject. Let's understand this with the help of an example. Okay, here you can see she is reading a book. Here it is our sentence, and you know what a sentence is, so comment down what a sentence is, as we have already learned it in previous video. She is reading a book. Here who is doing that particular action, who is reading the book, and you are saying she, so you are absolutely correct. Here she is our subject. Isn't it that much easy? Now let's move towards our second subject, that is the dog barked loudly. कुत्ता तेज भौंक रहा था. The dog barked loudly. Here भौंकने का काम कौन कर रहा था? बिल्कुल जी, डॉग कर रहा था. तो the correct answer is the dog is our subject because he is the one who is doing the action of barking. Okay, now here is our third sentence. Math is my favorite subject. Okay, here which is my favorite subject? Math. So math is the subject here. Now don't confuse, either subject is only person, because it can be person as well or it can be thing as well. Okay, I hope you are understanding my point, and if you have any doubt you can comment down as well. Okay, so now let's move towards our types, which is also very easy, guys. So first let's talk about it. See, before this let me give you an example. Okay, so here my example is, let's see, the hungry young girl eats apple. The hungry young girl eats apple. Now if I would ask from you what is the subject here, so whatever we have learned right now, you will, I hope so, you will comment girl, isn't it? So yes, you are truly right, you are absolutely right. Basically girl is our subject, but that is our simple subject from where we are going to classify the subject. So it is our simple subject. But if I say this is the subject, then what it is known as? It is known as our complete subject. So right now we have understood simple subject and complete subject. Simple subject basically is all about the main noun or pronoun. ठीक है, एक नाउन या प्रोनाउन की हम बात करते हैं. लाइक द कैट स्लीप्ड. हियर आवर सिंपल सब्जेक्ट इज द कैट. बट इफ आई टॉक अबाउट द स्मॉल ब्लैक कैट स्लेप्ट, तो इसका मतलब क्या हो गया? Subject plus its modifier. Now what is modifier? Basically modifier is nothing but the things that is modifying that particular noun or pronoun. That here the cat is small as well as black, so these two words are modifying our noun, that is cat. So this is our complete subject. So here you can see our complete subject is the hungry young girl, or if I said my simple subject, then it is girl only. Okay, now let's move towards our last subject, that is compound subject. The subject plus its modifiers, that is complete one. Now if we talk about compound subject, then two or more subject joined by and or are. It is one of the best trick that you can remind, but it's also very easy with it as well, because two or more subjects when combined together, we know that it's compound one. So here with the help of example you can understand it. Tom and Jerry are friends. Here Tom is also noun, Jerry is also noun. Noun, it can be any person or it can be anything as well. If I would say maths, if I would say, let me take it, okay, If I would say maths and physics are two important subjects. Now tell me the subject here. Here maths and physics both are coming, so it's two or more subjects, so these are my compound subject. Here again Tom and Jerry are my compound subject because they are two. Okay, and they're connected with and, or they can connect with by, or they can connect with or as well. I hope you have understood the very basic and very easiest concept of subject in basic English grammar. Now let's move towards our exercise as well. Okay, so what you have to do is you have to comment down as well your answer, the type of subject it is, and what the subject is actually, side by side. Okay, now let's see our first sentence. The teacher is explaining the lesson. Who is explaining the lesson? Who is doing the work? The teacher. So the subject is the teacher. My best friend lives next door. Who is living next door? My best friend. So my best friend is the subject. The birds are singing in the morning. Who is singing in the morning? The birds. So the birds is our subject. A red car stopped suddenly. This is our subject. And now last one, you have to comment down. Don't forget to like, comment and share. Thank you so much guys, and keep following, keep subscribing.